we can talk like Jesus, we can behave like Jesus, we can love like Jesus. We want to see Jesus, we want to live like Christ. Yeah, we are here because we want to walk in the footsteps of Jesus Christ. We are here because we want our lives to affect other people and be a blessing like Jesus Christ. That is the reason we come. Not because the church is nice, not because it's convenient, not because it's in a nice place, not because I can get help. We came here to seek the Lord. The Bible said there were 7 Greeks among them that came up to worship at the feast. The same therefore came to Philip, which was of Bethsaida of Galilee, and desired him, saying, Sir, we want to see Jesus. Yes, we are penahuno no, yasafuo no, tomafuo no, essentially for no, dear wo peja ni petino, dear wo dum nipa, dear wo yini pefri sumo, any adejamo, no wo yini paniye, or nona ya penahuno no, ya pe Yesua, bom no bini power bonimo, not dear why ye be our timidity, dear wo timidity, and prince or hands on, at your sons, oh God, help me, somebody pray. Shada, I want to see this Jesus. I want to see the miracle worker, the bridge builder, the heart fixer, the ancient of days, the dozens of the fields. I want to see the precious one. I want to see my soon coming king. He is coming again. His reward is with him to give unto every man according to their works. I want to see Jesus, yeah, the judge of all. The Bible said in Hebrews chapter number 12 and verse number 22, we have come to Mount Zion, to the city of the living God, to the heavenly Jerusalem, to the innumerable company of angels. We have come to the general assembly, the church of the firstborn, which is written in heaven. We have come to God, the judge of all, and to the spirits of just men made perfect. The Bible said we have come to Jesus, the mediator of the new covenant. We have come to the blood of sprinkling that speaks better things than that of Abel.